Hello everybody, and here I have with me three of my prints ranging from attempt number 1, number 2, and number 3. Now number 1 here this is my first attempt. It's not really I would say that good, but hey, these I tried. Let me just get this. Okay, so as you can see on my first attempt here, okay. So on attempt number 1, you could see there's lots of imperfections. There has been, you could see right here. Alright, now moving along, attempt number 2, I still have that same problem here, but I fixed out a lot of the other issues, like I'm tilted right here, and you could see that. See that? The bumps. And in this one, see that? No bumps. So one has kind of like severe bumps. And the other one doesn't. Okay, that's enough of that. So now if we look at attempt number 3 that I have right here, that's good. What's good about it is the details. It's much more refined. You see that? Now all I get is lines. I don't get bumps. So now moving along to axis Y, or the y-axis, and you can see that there are more imperfections on it. So you can see right here. And get the camera to focus. Yeah. So you can see right here. And you can see here. More bumps. More bumps. More bumps. And you could see here too. And overall, it's not that good. So that's attempt 1. Now attempt number 2, you can see that the detail for Y is a lot better, but I have that thing on the inside, and I have this, some bumps, but we could tell that this is comparing attempt number 1, which I can't even see much of a detail. Even you could see the letter Y itself is crooked in a way. Now the second one here is a lot better. But when we look at the third attempt, you could see, I mean, true, I still get that crap in there, but look at the level of detail here. I'm getting better prints. See that? I don't got no bumps. Okay, now once we're done with the Y, I want to show you the Z axis. This is attempt number 1, the Z axis. It's pretty much a horrid print. attempt number 2. It's still a horrid print. Horrid, I tell you. Attempt number 3. Now you can see the Z. The details are better, but it's not perfect because you still get separation here. Now I don't know what's causing this. Might be the layer height or something else, I'm not too sure. Let me see if I could get a light on that. Yeah, I see that. Yeah, and that's all for today. So we have print number 1, 2, and 3 right here. So we have the X, so we have the X, the Y, and the Z right here. Again, I'll show you all 3. Which one is this? Yeah, sorry about that. So attempt number 1, X, why is that right here? Attempt number 1, 2, 3. Attempt number 1, 2, 3. Different color because I changed the filament halfway. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.